Good day to drive, especially in this 2016 Kia Soul SX with red exterior, black interior, seating for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front-wheel drive. Desirable features include dual climate control, dual panel moonroof, navigation, more features to see. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website islandford.ca. And now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front-wheel drive. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar, carpeted mats on the floor, your light controls, lane keeping assist, heated steering wheel control and traction control. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touchscreen with AM/FM satellite radio, navigation, Bluetooth and other functions, and we can take a look at your backup camera. Now we gotta put it back in parking. You've got a volume and tuner and media controls, dual climate control system with heated and cool seats, air conditioning, defrost and other functions, room for storage below with 2 12-volt outlets, an aux outlet and USB charging port, your gear shift dial, manual parking brake, 2 cup holders, console with storage below, your glove compartment, sun visor, sunglass holder, light controls and your twin panel moonroof controls. Both the screen and glass will be powered. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, body color door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, gas cap on the driver's side. In the rear, your backup camera would be below the Kia badging. To open your lift gate, just press the button below and put it up. Here you access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs. Tie downs in all 4 corners, speaker on the side and a tonneau cover. When you're done, grab the handle above you on the right side, push it down and close it, and you're good to go on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows, and your heated backseat control. The seating is for 3, 60/40 split, which means you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats down. To do so, just fold the tab, fold your seat down. Here you access the cargo area, anchors to tether baby seat, and when you're done, just lift your seat up. An armrest with 2 cup holders, carpet and mats on the floor, net behind the front passenger seat for storage, your twin panel moonroof, dome light, hooks and handle. Backup camera in the rear, mud flaps, privacy glass at the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal, halogen headlights and fog lights, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at islandford.ca. We have plenty to show you and we'd love to hear your comments.